Hello viewer, we are going to create the design. So it's an elliptical shape. There it is. Then we will have the further one. So there it is. Again make the diamond into it. There is the elliptical design we have. But change the pattern and again change the further one. So let's generate that shape. There is the other.